to start this project off by showing you how we got our SVG file that we used in this project. We went to Thingiverse and found this really cool deer puzzle card kit that is meant for 3D printing. Now this person has this really cool design made, and I really wanted to have it laser cut, not necessarily 3D printed. But you are always welcome to use this QR code that was in the beginning of this video to gain access to this 3D print. We went ahead and downloaded the card kit and uploaded it onto Tinkercad. Tinkercad.com is a free CAD software that is geared to children, and a lot of children have actually used it in their classroom. We use Tinkercad in our makerspace because it's a very user-friendly and simple CAD software that's free and available for anyone to use. We imported this design onto Tinkercad so we can edit it and adjust it to our liking. We're going to be using Tinkercad to convert this .stl file into a .svg file. As you can see right here, when you click export, you have an option to turn this project into a .svg file for laser cutting. After we download our SVG file, we will go ahead and import this file into Inkscape and adjust any measurements, especially the little divots for the puzzle, to make sure that those divots fit our material size that we will be using. For this project, we will be using Baltic wood that is 1/8 of an inch thick. So we need to make sure that these divots are able to fit 1/8 of an inch material. So we will be using Inkscape, which is available on our Forge computers, or you can download for free online. So after you're done with your appointment, you'll have your desired project cut out. For this specific project, we're going to need a background that we have here, a frame, and of course our wooden pieces. The first step is to cut down our cardstock background to the size that we need for our frame. Once we put that image inside our frame, we're going to put our frame back together, and then we're going to grab a sanding sponge and sand down all the edges to make sure that everything is smooth. This can also help if you're going to paint your wooden pieces. For our specific project, we really like that burn look, so we decided to keep it. Now we're going to get some wood glue and just add a dab into the inserts so that our pieces can stay together. Now that we have everything glued, we're going to let this dry for a moment and get ready for the next step. Now we're going to attach our reindeer head to our frame by adding quite a bit of hot glue at the back of our reindeer mount, and then just adhering it directly to the glass of our frame. And just like that, we have our beautiful mounted deer head on this frame that you can use for decoration around your house. Again, feel free to paint your deer head any color you'd like, add texture, or even add some lettering to the frame. There's so many creative ways you can add on to this project and make it your own. Thank you for watching.